Hello everyone, and welcome back to our modded Offworld Trading Company campaign. We're playing as the upgrade expansive guy dude person. I think I've decided on it's so hard. This one an extra claim for 2 weeks. I thought I knew what I was going to do, now I'm not so sure. What does it mean when we have an upgrade lab available? See, I don't want to do that because I already have an upgrade lab. I'd like a hacker ray because we use that almost fairly effectively. So we'll go with that. Now, the only other choice, decided on before I started the video, I was going to do this one, and then I forgot about it. Or didn't forget about it. Okay, chemical ag engineer or electrolysis reactor. Thing is, you kind of need the electrolysis reactor for it. I think I want to go to the electrolysis reactor. I think it's just better. So now we have that. And permanently. So that's great. And what I am worried about is like, wow. Okay. Use hacker ray to do the obvious things. Sounds good. Yes, we're able to build one extra hacker ray. Very useful. So volcanic, crater, riverbed, rocky, sand. Thank you. So let's start finding
a geothermal vent. That will be useful. High levels of iron found. Low levels of water found.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know where the aluminum is. Yeah, I don't care. Do I want to be touching? Like there's only that much water, which is not really amazing, actually. So I could just stomp it for, you know, immediate resource bonuses. Decisions. Right next to the geotherm, which is useless to me because I don't actually have a... Where do we stomp? I think this is good. Boop.
Permits approved and cleared, sir, with Alpha 3 team reporting in.
I go to build a mine.
We will
I
have
already
the first
have
factories up
Really?
and running in no
High
time.
levels of carbon found. High levels of aluminum found. High levels of silicon found. High levels of water found.
Okay. That's okay. It's interesting how I can pause the game like this. This really feels like cheating. Okay, only one high... I could go to, like, toggle, right? And then I can be like, okay. Okay. But now I have a lot of iron, which is nice, and the prices seem different and weird. And it's very strange to me. And yet it probably shouldn't be. So what if we, say, bought up the aluminum that we need? Because now all we need is the steel. We already have a lot of iron reserves. So let's just start with triple steel mills. That seems, you know, fine. And now we unpause and let it go. It'd be really awesome if I could just hit that button. So we have habitats, tool shops, power, labs. Okay, so I think we're probably going to try to go for that one high carbon tile wherever it ran off to.
Expansive
All over
colony
here.
founded.
Try to get that upgrades real fast, and I like it. Yeah, it's like, I probably shouldn't be doing this on level 1 though, but it's just like, yeah, I'd like, you know, upgrades right now for the rest of the game. Yeah, it sounds great. Okay, so we're just waiting for our steel to come in, which will come in most assuredly shortly. Probably should be selling out of this. There we go.
Expansive
I do
colony
need
expanded.
an aluminum mine. I do want my... Oh no, there's a scavenger! What? What is this madness? Well, maybe we sort of pretend that the scavenger is going to take care of carbon price for us. And there's backup carbon spots that we can worry about later, I suppose. Maybe... I mean, the glass price is already, like, sky high, right? So, why don't we start off with the silicon quarry? And, I think we're going to need another iron mine, so let's get that down. Let's saw out of this, because that's apparently plummeting to the ground. That's nice. Okay, the other nice, not so nice thing is that water is literally halfway across. Like, I could take the close water, which kind of sucks, or I could take the far away water, which kind of sucks. There's also ice condensers, which is basically the same as this, so why don't we just... Like, the fuel cost of this is, I don't know, because, you know, it doesn't tell me anymore, or it used to... Whatever. Let's go here. Fuel costs won't be as high. Hopefully. We need to buy up our glass, because apparently
The black
nothing
market
we're
is
doing is
online.
making money anymore. Thank you, random. Yeah. This is a little bit suboptimal, actually. I wonder if I could have done this a little bit better, so as to not, you know... Like, everything I upgraded iron and steel because, you know, usually those are pretty good things to have. Okay, well, you got teleportate... Was that teleportation? I hope you die for having teleport... Look at all this stuff!
Let this be a lesson
can't
to
even
you
tell.
all. Screw
Okay, you
with
did
us,
buy
and we
teleportation.
screw with
Okay.
you.
Well, we kind of guessed as much, but now we know. So... Really? Okay. It's a free building, you know that, right? I mean, you're just keeping me away from silicon for a little while, I guess. Which... Okay, whatever. Whatever. Waiting for our aluminum to come in, for of all things, I suppose. You could upgrade that, I guess. Again, it feels wrong. Like, I shouldn't press that button. Like, I want to press that button, but I shouldn't, because I should. I shouldn't because I shouldn't, yes. Okay. Okay, we can hit the upgrade button. Let's get down another... Okay. Farms or glass? Glass or farms? Well, no one else has farms. And you have glass. And you're going to be eating silicon. And you don't have any silicon production. So, I think that makes it pretty obvious that we go into farms. So we'll get down another water. And then sell off our chemicals to get down our farms. Probably, we could try to connect up our water in the future. That seems somewhat reasonable. Okay. I want to press that button, but I need to get down the farms first. I can't because, you know... If the aluminum come in, that should get us closer to the... Alright, let's go ahead and hit that farm button. 20 aluminum for more farms. Okay.
Expansive colony expanded.
We're gonna be negative on water here, aren't we? Oh, that burns slightly. Do I actually go down? Like the water pumps are making more money than the farms are right now. So let's. Okay, we'll go start with a water pump. That's okay. We need to upgrade our water production here.
6,
I don't know if I really wanted to do that. We already have Hacker Eyes unlocked, because that's why we take this particular mission. So this feels like nothing but useless debt. So we're going to ignore it. Completely and utterly.
8,000.
Good job, guys.
2,000.
What are you guys doing? You guys are insane. I gave you a free one, maybe, but this is just... Really? Okay. I was only using one anyway. Guess I could queue up the other one, but... Well, at least the nukes aren't dropping on me. I'm happy about that. Farms. Silicon. I'm wondering if I should, like, goon this or something strange like that. It's got targeted once. Why wouldn't it get targeted again?
Baltic colony expanded.
Hey. I saw it got bought and was like, yep, that's landing on me. Yep. Yep. Yep, kind of expected. But we're almost our way to our next upgrade here. I just need to... Of course, it's like... It's like... Alright, then our food would go negative, right? We upgrade and our food goes negative. And it's like... Okay. And power is kind of insane right now, too. And silicon's also kind of insane right now. Like... well... Let's get another farm. Let's get down another silicon quarry because... You... And, I think we need to get, you know, some solar panels down. So, probably over here. You know, since we have money for it. Which we don't, because we're broke. And selling silicon is really going to help us get there faster. It's not. So, you know, as soon as our Frozen's mutinies goes away, we can start pumping up power production. You know, well, you need money for that, you know, whatever. Money, who needs that? I'll go ahead and put 2 into that. Everyone's getting lots of fun debt here. Lots of fun debt.
You shouldn't buy this and use it on an enemy. That would be mean.
8,000. 12.
I don't want this to land on me.
14,000.
And this...
So.
Expansive colony expanded.
Got a little lucky there, but I'm okay with that. So, it's nighttime, so it's the perfect time to get down a solar panel, right? Buy one of these. What is Taoist hacking? Oh, he's getting down more reactors. Okay. Okay, so... Really? There's a huge surplus? What? I want to get in on the reactors, since I did, you know, upgrade them, as opposed to my farms, which are not upgraded. I want to get... Really, you know, I need to think about expanding, I suppose. Expanding is the thing that needs to be done. How do we get that? We sell down our food. We gotta buy our glass. You know, it's really nice, you know, not having like we haven't hit a dust storm yet, which is
The black market
very
is
thankful about
online.
that. So, we're actually making some power. That's nice. Oh, of course! You know, it's like... Let's just... It's gotta be this guy. Like, he has to be doing some really funky stuff over there for this... For everything to just line up. This... not perfect. Yeah, we're in C debt. You have no debt. That's just bad. We need the aluminums to upgrade. Ew. I can hit the upgrade button, so I'm going to, and so... Okay. Reactors look really good right now. This is our last upgrade, so we do need to think about this. Like, everyone has reactors, right? Are reactors really... I mean, they're sort of level? Glass is just rising to the stratosphere still somehow. We are bringing in a lot of silicon, so the whole point of that was so that we could, you know, get some friggin' glass down. And we don't have the water income right now for... We don't have the water income right now for the, So we'll go down with some glass, I suppose. Go ahead and hit the upgrade button on that. They'll both go together. I guess not. I guess not. Another farm, probably good. That also connects us our water, which saves us a little bit on the fuel costs, which is nice. I almost want another, like, aluminum module, because, frankly, you know, people are buying habitats, which costs a lot of aluminum.
10,000.
A new plane is available for auction.
1,000.
Bidding will begin at
I don't know how much I really want this.
16,000. 18,000. 20,000.
I could buy, like,
sold.
an EMP and place it on some unhappy person, but...
Robotic
Oh,
colony
really?
expanded.
Oh, of course. Why wouldn't that happen? So, let's see here. Offices eat power, electronics. I think I want labs, because they're gonna eat, like, chemicals or something that I can probably can't really go into, because steel shortage. That's actually kind of nice. Really? You know, it's about to be that debt time of the day, I suppose, so I really should probably be paying off that.
Let this be a lesson to you all. Screw with us, and we screw with you.
It's my fault. I picked the map with EMPs, and I'm not defending myself with goon squads, which are actually really expensive right now. And... you know, whatever. It's fine. It's normal, it's expected, it's, you know, we're making money. Are we making enough money? I don't know. Losing 140 a second. Do I bother to, like, I don't really want to eat electronics. I can't make electronics. No, I can't. I can make power, kind of. Seriously? Like, you're gonna just... Okay. It really, really doesn't like me. Let's up our water production. And then, maybe our power production again? It's kind of expensive, but... like, farms are a real moneymaker right now, right? So...
Now, and you could win a core sample to discover new resources.
No?
So,
I think another claim. That's nice. Farms are really good right now. Yeah, but nice and upgraded. Glass is not so nice right now. Get down our reactors, which we so desperately wanted.
Robotic colony
Iron is
expanded.
kind of bad. Let's get down another one of these things, just because, you know, it's the middle of the night, and that's exactly what you do. Oh, our debt is enormous. How did this happen? And we're gonna get frozen. Aren't you guys supposed to get, like, resistant to these things after?
The black
Oh,
mud
this
is
debt
one
tick is
line.
gonna hurt so bad. Oh. Well, everything's making nice money, which is nice. Like, do I just embrace the debt at this point and say, okay, I need to get some stuff down. I just need to get as many things and be like, I'm going to win, but it's gonna hurt. Okay, let's see. You know, whatever, it's fine. It's understandable. No, I'm not in
14,000.
a new claim is available
Don't
for
press that button.
auction.
What are you doing?
Begin at
Don't press that button. Like, one thing you really don't need right now is more debt.
28.
So these are bad. These are good. That's useless. That's better. These are nighttime and kind of useless. Don't need that. What are you guys doing with these prices? Stop it! Hey, it is going to be that last debt day time again, so maybe we should try to pay off our debt. Is, you know, unlikely. Like, we're making a lot of money. Like, which is nice. It really is. It'd be really nice if I could, you know, use my upgrade labs. There's our chemical production finally starting to come through. Water production is positive again. Farms are making money again. We're back in the D-debt again. But I don't think we might not have been for a few seconds there. It is the last soul, so there's no more interest sticks, right? So that's nice. So I think we now start thinking about we need to beat these guys, right? We need to just And you start maxing out all the things that need maxing out. You require glass, you require electronics, chemicals. I guess we can buy off. I mean, we just want to buy whatever's cheap right now, right? Should keep our upgrades going somewhat, I suppose. No, and it's just that point where they're not going to pay off before the end of the day. And we're at 12 and 12 and 13. Okay, you need to just stop something. Okay, crap. I need to buy something now. I don't care what, but it needs to be bought. Okay. Okay, now we're paused with this guy. We're getting overloaded, that's fine. Oh, I guess we lost. Okay. How did you... You had, like... Well, that sucked. You know, we really did waste a lot of money in the super early game on really bad stuff, and then, you know, EMPs are fun. So, you know, that's fine. Well, that's gonna... wrap up week 2. We do not have enough money to buy a new guy, which sucks. But, you know, whatever. Nanotech or cold fusion? This is actually hard. Because, like, I haven't been scrapping buildings, right? I haven't been scrapping buildings reliably at all. On the other hand, I think this gives you, like, refunds on money at the end. It might. On the other hand, cold fusion. Nanotech. Nanotech is what we're picking. And, so good job winning. You're still, like, in last place, apparently. Wasn't your debt, like, insane? Is that what happened or something? I'm a little bit miffed about the oxygen shipment. A goon squad, that would be nice. Wind turbine, adrenaline boost? Maybe. Adrenaline boosted half cost upgrade labs. But this location has no EMPs, so, and it has a goon squad for future EMPs. And warehouses take steel, eat glass. It's probably decent. Okay, well, that's going to wrap up this episode. Thank you all for watching. And see you next time.